Did you know that this is a shower valve? So obviously this isn't roughed in yet, because when it's roughed in, it'll be in a wall like this. But you notice here on the shower valve, we got two inlets, which are the sides, and then we've got the two, actually, I guess these are the side inlets, and then we've got the outlets. So even though this is a shower valve, it really could be two purposes. It could be a shower valve or it could be a tub valve, because it has this secondary down outlet. It can be used for either. So if you think of a tub, it has the outlet, the tub spout, which is lower than the valve, and then the shower head. A shower just has the shower head. So when you get valves like these, all you do, you can use it for a shower and it's totally fine. You just cap, you put a little stub out and you cap the bottom here, and then the top just goes out to the actual shower head.